if A, B, and C. I find it funny, by the way, the teachers solve this question. It is an CAT previous year question. CAT previous year question. Students who are preparing for SSC and bank examination, right? I find it funny. People waste their time listening to the teachers who solve it in a traditional method. Traditional method. How teachers solve this method? Then I will tell you Anil Nair's way of solving the question. Each and every question. Traditional method as well as Anil Nair's way. Read the question. For me, it's very important. For me, mathematics topic is a very topic which involves using my brain. So I will go one by one. A, B, and C are three natural numbers. First key point is clear to me. A, B, and C are three natural numbers. Okay. What is the next statement given? And S equivalent to A plus B plus C by 2. That means 2S is equivalent to A plus B plus C. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Ratio is given as 1:7:4. 1:7:4. That means S minus A, it is K. S minus B, it is 7K. S minus C, it is 4K. 4K. Ratio if I replace. Now, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Difference between, most of the teachers also don't know this concept. Difference between ratio and fraction. What is the difference between ratio and fraction? Difference between ratio and fraction. Value wise both are same. Value wise both are same. And output wise both are same. Value wise both are same. Conceptually, if you understand it conceptually, there is a small difference. Conceptually, there is a small difference. It's very, very important for you to understand in the way the mathematics should be understood. Conceptually, there is a small difference. What is the difference? Now, if I say fraction, if I say 1 by 4, the meaning of this 1 by 4 is I am taking one part out of 4 parts. One part out of 4 parts I am taking. Part will get cancelled. One part out of 4 parts. There is a pizza. Pizza is divided into one part, second part, third part. First part, second part, third part, fourth part. I am taking one part out of 4 parts. One part out of 4 parts of the same pizza. If I take one part out of 4 parts of the same pizza, it is called fraction. It is called fraction. Then what do you call it as ratio? What do you call it as ratio? People do not understand conceptually ratio and fractions. There are 4 pizzas. I am taking one pizza out of 4 pizzas. I am taking one pizza out of 4 pizzas. Here, within the same value, you are dividing it into parts. You are taking the same pizza. How many quantities you are taking? 4 quantities. I need for one pizza out of 4 pizzas. The value, it is 1 by 4. Value wise both are same, but what is that? It is getting a difference, ratio. I hope it is clear. Ratio it is. Same pizzas 4 you kept. You took one pizza out of 4 pizza. It is ratio. Within the same pizza, you divided it into multiple parts. I want one part out of 4 parts. That is a fraction. Value wise both are same. But conceptually, there is a small difference. I hope it is clear. If it is clear to you, kindly reply it in the live chat with yes, 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 yes. From now onwards, in case if you are teaching kids who are learning mathematics at the age of 7 or 8, Please teach them in the proper way. Please teach them in the way that they should understand it with complete clarity. I hope it is clear. Difference between ratio and fraction. Please take the screenshot of it. This is the difference between ratio and fraction. Let us get back to the question. What all people will do, sir? I find a lot of teachers who teach traditional method. Student is listening to the live class. 2 hours got over. He learned the traditional method. He is not clearing the exam. Why will he clear the examination when the method that he is using is incorrect? Lakhs of students are going to write the examination for thousands of seats. What difference that you got in terms of learning? You should ask yourself. Traditional methods, probably for a set of questions it will work, but if you can develop logics and minimize the time, these, how students will solve? These equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. S minus A plus S minus B plus S minus C equivalent to 12K. So 3S minus of A plus B plus C equivalent to 12K. These 3S minus 2S, the most boring method, SC is 12K. If SC is 12K, if I substitute here, A will become 11K, B will become 5K, C will become 8K. What will be the answer? 11 is to 5 is to 8. FP, I got the answer, and you took some 30 to 35 seconds to solve this question. But actually, if you use your brain, it is a 5 seconds question. This is 99.99% of the students will solve like this. Because we all go through a macular education system. Because in our 10th class, if you write one step, you will get 1 mark. If you substitute it, you will get 1 mark. If you get the answer and underline it, you will get 1 mark. Macular education system, funny education system. On a mother's birthday, you have to go to an artist's gallery, buy a greeting card, where the greeting card talks about a birthday wishes wrote by an American author to his mother. In a way, you like that poem. Oh, birthday is the day when you are gifted to the world and the world was gifted to you. Such a nice line it is. You will buy it at 70 rupees or 80 rupees or 30 rupees and give it to your mother as if you wrote it. It is the worst thing that can happen in an education system. Education is enhancing the thought process of a learner. And education is about going beyond the textbooks and making a student develop the questions on their own. For me, this is a stupid method. If anybody is solving like this, it is a time for you to introspect that these methods will not work. If Anil Nair is solving this question, Anil Nair's way, when I say Anil Nair's way, it is the logical way to solve the question. Anil Nair's way of solving the question. What is the question? S minus A is to S minus B is to S minus C is equivalent to 1 is to 7 is to 4. A is to B is to C. You will understand the beauty of preparing for CAT examination, sir. CAT exam is not a difficult examination. It is a different examination. Because if you are preparing for CAT, any other examination can be taken care. Why? Because CAT is Asia's toughest examination. Maximum number of questions are logical questions. Now see, A is to B is to C. If I am solving this question, how I will solve this question? Now see, S minus A. S minus A, it is K. S minus, these also you don't need to write. 7K. S minus C, it is 4K. A, B, C are natural numbers. I do not know the traditional method. What I know is, see the question and find out an optimal way. Now see here. S minus B, 7K. SC is constant here. It is given as 2S equivalent to A plus B plus C, which is a constant. K, 7K, 4K. What is maximum? 7K, it is maximum. Right hand side, it is maximum. Left hand side, it is minus B. That means B should have a minimum value. B B should have a minimum value. S minus A is equivalent to K. They are all natural numbers. So 1, 7, 1, 7, 4, 2, 14, 8, 3, 21, 12. Are you all with me? What is minimum? It is minimum. K is minimum. If this is minimum, what should be A? A should be a maximum value. A is to B is to C. In A is to B is to C. Which one should take maximum? A should take maximum. B should take minimum. Go back to the question. A should take maximum. A should take maximum. Here B is taking maximum. Here C is taking maximum. Here C is taking maximum. Exact answer options. You can go and download the previous year CAT paper and see it. A is maximum. A is maximum. How much time it takes to identify which is maximum, which is minimum? Do you think they are checking out your mathematical skills? If they are checking out your mathematical skills, only the students who are from a great mathematical background will clear the examination in first attempt. What is that I did, sir? I did a 4th class NCRT concept. What is 4th class NCRT concept? S minus A equivalent to K. ABC got a negative sign. If it is a negative sign, K, 7K and 4K. 7K it is maximum. B should be minimum. K is minimum. A should be maximum. Where is the maximum value? A is present in the answer option. A is present in the answer option. For me, A is quite visible. 10 it is B value, 12 it is C value, 11 it is A value. Are you all with me? Use your mind and solve the toughest aptitude examination in seconds time. That is the reason this class is a must attend class. Those of you who watch my classes, it's very difficult for you to go and watch any other teacher's classes. I teach for CAT examination. CAT is not India's toughest examination. A continent's toughest examination. Asia's toughest examination. You will also understand why I became the head of the department for entire South India at the age of 24. It's just because of the way I solve the questions. I hope the idea it is clear. Answer is 11 is to 5 is to 8. Hey Anil sir, what if A, maximum 2 options are there? Suppose 11 is to 8 is to 5 is there. What is the next condition that I told you? Next condition is B should be minimum. B should be minimum. B is minimum. B is not minimum. Idea is to give a direction to the way that you solve it. I hope this idea it is clear. From now onwards, whenever you are solving a ratio related questions, this is the way that I am going to solve ratio related question. Answer options are not only given to tick mark, but also to be given to be used. And you do not want any of your friends who are preparing for SSC examination, writing twice, thrice, bank examination, losing out on the examination. Just share these class link to the 10 WhatsApp group so that the students who hate formula based learning can get a logical way of solving the question. I hope you enjoyed these is the beginning. We are going to do a lot of sessions which will change the way that you look at aptitude. If you think Anil Nair's way deserves a like, please give a like. Next one. 18th, I hope this logic it is clear. Next one, I hope you understood the difference between ratio and a fraction. I want my student to be different from others. Anil Nair's students anywhere all over the world should be considered as a very logical thinkers.